clarification lang po sa question kanina na nabanggit po ni Pangulo yung we will not allow unprogrammed appropriations to be misused. Sinabi po na i-release lang po ito upon validation. Pwede pong malaman sino pong magva-validate? May committee po ba dito?
Okay. So yung pag-validate yan, of course, aside from that validation, we need to, of course, kailangan natin ma-meet yung requirements or even triggers. One is when we have excess revenue, that's the time that we can also unlock that program appropriations. At the same time, kung mayroon na tayong perfected loan para din sa ating mga foreign-assisted projects. So, mean to say, kung foreign-assisted project yan, that is already validated by the ICC. It passed through the process of evaluation, at the same time, approval. So, I guess with that, the foreign-assisted project, no need to validate. But as to the ating mga releases other than that, is we need to look at, of course, yung process natin as to the yung aming ginagamit din sa pag-evaluate ng ating budget when we prepare the budget. And that is yung ating, okay, one is it should be aligned with the plan of the national government. Second, it should have ready for implementation, of course. And of course, yung ating prioritization as far as the agency is concerned. So those are just some of the validation that we need to look at when we release the unprogrammed appropriations.
Sir, follow-up lang po. So, kasi po, kaya ko po ito natanong dahil yung mga flood control issue ng nakaraan, nandiyan naman din po kayo sa opisina na yan. So, ang sinasabi niyo po ba, maiiwasan na itong nangyari nung nakaraan sa panahon ng dating kalihim ng DBM?
Definitely, mawawala as mentioned by Secretary Recto, actually wala na rin yung pagkukuhanan natin ng mga ganyang pondo. And very limited na lang, 3 na nga lang eh. So mean to say, hindi na mangyayari yung nangyari ng nakaraang taon o nakaraang mga unprogrammed appropriations natin. So definitely that will not happen already because as mentioned ba, 3 na lang yung prioritization natin na kailangan. Which is very strict na yung ating pag-i-evaluate niyan given, of course, yung limited fiscal space that is available to us.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Jean.